Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you want to start a YouTube channel. So take this as a sign and start your YouTube channel right now. Pick that phone up, pick that camera up and start filming. Now, I know you're going to probably procrastinate and be like, नहीं मैं बाद में खोल दूंगा, खोल दूंगी जो भी है later. Don't do that. Agar you don't start now, you're probably never gonna start. Stop being lazy and do it. Anyway, today I'll be sharing with you guys the ultimate beginner's guide to starting a YouTube channel. I also recently created my YouTube channel. So many videos to look at. I don't know what to pick, what to do. I thought I will break it down easily for you guys in this video, including the apps I use for editing my videos, thumbnails, what equipment I use my phone, and another camera, so you will just know the difference, plus what tags to use and so much more. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe if this helped you in any way. For starters, we'll start with the camera. I will be honest, it doesn't matter तुम कौन सा camera use कर रहे हो. It can be an iPhone, it can be an Android, whatever it is, matter नहीं करता as long as your content is good. But what enhances the quality? It is your lighting and your audio. So in terms of audio, आप Amazon में easily Bluetooth mics ले सकते हो. Enhance your audio. If not that, अगर आपको इसको नहीं खरीदना है, there's obviously an alternative. आप fan off कर सकते हो. You can put the AC off, and I think phones at this point are very good at picking up audio, तो उसमें कोई problem नहीं होगी. That is completely fine. So on Amazon, if you want to buy, you can buy a Bluetooth mic because that is amazing. You want the viewers to be able to listen to you, so that is extremely important. Secondly, comes lighting. Now lighting के लिए you can easily buy a ring light. Now a ring light also comes with a tripod, so you can easily buy that. और अगर आप बहुत vlog कर रहे हो और ring light सब जगह लेना, it's too difficult for you to carry your ring light everywhere. There are portable lights, like I'll put a picture over here. There are portable lights that you can attach to your phone, and wherever you go, jahan bhi aap jao, your lighting is enhanced and you look good. So you have nothing to worry about. If you do not want to buy a light, that is also fine. Natural light, like there's the golden hour, there's natural light. Just use that. That's honestly totally fine. The tripods. Now you could buy a tripod, but at the same time, if आप vlog करते हो या you don't want to invest so much in it, you can easily use an alternative such as stacking books या picture के ऊपर रख सकते हो. Like for example, I've kept this over here and it works perfectly fine. So you could do that as well. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था that I had my iPhone that I was using initially, but मेरा storage खत्म हो गया था and I tried buying iCloud storage, and unfortunately iCloud storage does not increase your storage. That's a myth. Don't waste your money on that. It doesn't work. Plus मैं बहुत mumble करती हूँ, so I needed a mic. I was privileged enough to get the DJI Pocket 3 and I upgraded to that. Show you what it looks like over here. It's amazing. It is also very small, like it says pocket में fit हो जाएगा. It's great. And I got the content creator pack, जहाँ you get a tripod with it and this mic, obviously. So great. Plus, if I want to, which is the best part, you download the app of DJI and you can easily see us connect. And you can easily see us. Normally what I do is मैं अपना phone को इधर रख देती हूँ and I look at myself just to make sure I'm in frame, the lighting is good, there's a beauty filter, plus आप अपने videos को इधर से save कर सकते हो. It is amazing. So that's the camera I use. If you don't want to buy a camera, trust me, problem नहीं है. You can easily work with your iPhone, Android. Do not worry, just start filming. Please pick up the camera and start filming. Okay, so the next thing I'll be talking about is the editing apps I use. Now, for me personally, I can't use like a proper software. मुझसे होता नहीं है, मैं try नहीं करती हूँ. I don't want to. I'm very comfortable with phone editing apps. It's amazing for beginners. And I'll tell you exactly what I use. My videos, I personally use Videoleap. You can buy a subscription like I did. Initially, मैंने subscription खरीदा नहीं था at all. I did this hack because watermark आता है. I did this hack where I would take a picture या video 10 seconds के लिए वो डालती थी. उसके बाद मैं अपना video edit करना शुरू करती थी. So once I saved the video, I would just clip out the 10 seconds of that video. Watermark चला गया. and the rest of the video is with me. There are alternatives like iMovie आप use कर सकते हो, which comes with the iPhone itself. Then आप InShot भी use कर सकते हो, which a lot of YouTubers I've seen use. Watermark का कोई worry नहीं है because you watch an ad and the watermark goes away. So you could also use that, and it's amazing. Okay, moving on to thumbnails. For thumbnails, these are what my thumbnails look like generally, and they're so easy to make. The apps are absolutely free. So the apps that I use are PicsArt. PicsArt में mainly I make collages as well as text use कर सकते हो. But then text थोड़े limited हो सकते हैं because then you have to buy a subscription, which I'm not gonna do. For that, to add more character, जैसे effects डालने हैं, grain डालना है, जो भी डालना है, you can use Prequel, which is completely free. I love that app as well. And अगर आपको text change करना, you want to add some big text, you can use Fonto, which is basically made for text and fonts, so you could do that. Want to buy a more advanced type of app on the phone, there is Superimpose, which I also love. It's amazing. It's basically all in one. अगर आपको 3 apps download नहीं करने और आपको कुछ money spend करना, you can easily buy that. And I would also recommend it because I use it sometimes, but mainly I use these 3 apps which work perfectly. Also, मैं भूल गई, but there is Canva. Literally Canva. Do not spend any money. Canva पे you can clearly select like a YouTube thumbnail के लिए, and then there are text, there are effects, there are so many things आप वो भी use कर सकते हो easily. It is no money and it is very easy to use. आप अपने phone में download कर सकते हो, कहीं भी download कर सकते हो. It's perfect. So आपने video बना दिया, edit कर दिया. Now how to grow and what exactly do you do once your video is made? There is something known as YouTube Studio. ऐप स्टोर में है, आप डाउनलोड करो. इट्स अमेजिंग. इट शोज यू एनालिटिक्स, कौन देख रहा है, कब देख रहा है. देयर इज ऑल्सो योर एल्गोरिदम. सो इफ नॉर्मली इट्स लाइक 12 o'clock, 12 PM, 6 PM, तब आप पोस्ट कर सकते हो. पर अदर देन दैट it is incredible. If you want to add tags, now tags is a way to get people to see your videos. अगर आप YouTube Studio पे जाओगे, आप YouTube Studio पे हो, go on analytics and then look for inspiration. Inspiration इधर है. You just search the name of your title, जो वीडियो पोस्ट करने वाले हो. Example, how I cleared my skin. How to clear my skin. ठीक है? Simple. You type that. Now over here, you're going to get a bunch of tags, मतलब medium volume, low volume, high volume, as in लोग क्या search करता है. So accordingly, if you add these tags to your videos, it's going to recommend people regardless. So do that to get like audience. Another way to do that is obviously posting YouTube shorts. Make YouTube shorts and keep posting, because other than your YouTube long form content, आपको short form content भी post करना पड़ता है to get more of an audience and engage with an audience. So definitely do that. Another thing I've learned is YouTube Studio search करो and वहाँ पे आप जाके अपने videos upload करना. Like sign in and upload through YouTube Studio online, not on the app, because तब आपका video degrade नहीं होता. Which is amazing. I learned this literally recently and I wish I knew this in the beginning. So अगर आप YouTube videos post करें, post it through YouTube Studio online, not on the app. Anyway, these are the things I've learned so far. I thought कि मैं आपके साथ share करूँ, and like because I'm also just starting and I feel like if there's any way I can help anyone, we can grow together and make it big, manifest, and hopefully do a good job. So if you're watching this, please continue making YouTube videos or start making YouTube videos and post consistently, because that's what I'm going to do. We're going to make it together. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful in any way. I wish you guys all the very best. I know you'll make it. Just be consistent and don't give up. Good things take time. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like, share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye. So if you have any questions, make sure you ask me down below. I will be more than happy to answer. Bye.